Hello dear students, welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade.
In this lecture we will study some of the plants suitable for the fence in garden. Plants may be placed against a fence or wall to border one section or part of the garden from other. The fencing can be erected by planting different plants and it is known as living fence. These plants have either strong bad odor or spines, thorns or prickles due to which animals avoid eating or coming in contact with these plants, and therefore such plants can act as natural fence. There are many plants which can be used as living fence in the garden. We will study some of them. The first plant which is suitable for the fence, it is the Carissa carandus. These are some of the photographs of Carissa carandus. It is belonging to the family Apocynaceae. This is a medium heighted shrub like this. This plant contains green polished color leaves as well as white colored beautiful flowers. And these are the fruits of Carissa carandus. This is a twig of Carissa plant which is showing thorns. And due to presence of these thorns, Carissa is suitable for the fence. Then the next plant is Lantana camara. Lantana camara is belonging to the Verbenaceae family. As you can see here, this plant is a beautiful large bush with spiny stem having vigorous growth. This is stem of the Lantana camara with thorns, and due to presence of these thorns on the stem, Lantana camara is useful as fence. Lantana produce very beautiful flowers which are red, yellow, white, violet, pink and differently colored. Flowers are very beautiful, but this plant should be allowed to grow in a protected areas. Otherwise this plant spread like weeds. These are the fruits of Lantana camara which are edible. Due to presence of strong odor and prickles, animals avoid these plants, and so therefore it can be used as fence. Then the next plant, it is the Lawsonia inermis. It is belonging to the Laethraceae family and it is commonly known as henna or mehendi plant. As you can see here, the plant is woody perennial branched shrub, excellent for screen or fence. Lawsonia is planted by seedling and trimmed periodically to keep the height up to 2 meters. The branches are four-angled, often with a sharp point. These are the leaves of the plant. The leaves are small, ovate with acute apex. This is the inflorescence of the plant. It bears panicle inflorescence of white fragrant flowers. The fawn plants very good hedge even in the dry region. Then the next plant which is suitable for the fence, it is Ziziphus zuzube or Ziziphus moringiana. This plant is belonging to the Rhamnaceae family. This is the photograph of Ziziphus zuzube and this is Ziziphus moringiana. So as you can see here, these are the small thorny trees. These are the leaves of the plant. The leaves are small, ovate, roundish and glabrous above and buff hairy below. So this is the upper surface and this is the lower surface of the leaf. Here you can see the sharp thorns on the stem of Ziziphus plant. Due to presence of sharp thorns and hairy leaves, animals avoid eating this plant. Hence, it gives protection against animals and therefore forms one of the best fencing plant. So, dear friends, with this we have completed the plants suitable for the fence. In next video, we will study plants suitable for lawns. Thank you.